Alright guys, this is just an update. I ended up hurting myself and messed up my back. And it's been 7 days now since this is the first day I've been able to walk. So I figured I gotta do something. I do have all the parts to the mini bike. Um, uh, Before I hurt myself, I ended up testing out the Sandblaster and did the rims and stuff. So I have everything to get the mini bike done. This is what I end up doing for the Sandblast. It's actually one of them grow tents, and I just got a shock vac that runs on the side right there to suck out the dust. And then this is the inside, and you can see that I started sandblasting the frame down. I just got one of them Harbor Freight guns that go down in the sand. I do have one of them, I forgot what they call them, but it's one of that red tank right there. But I'm not sure if I got everything to get it going, so I figured this is just, for right now, this would be the easiest route. But I know I was going to leave this thing kind of stock and put it together, and I have all them parts. But I ended up coming across this 110 pit bike about, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. And I got it really cheap. Somebody decided to gut the wiring down to minimum. He said he wanted minimum. Supposedly they end up ruining the wire harness on it. So it's got good compression and everything. That box right there, I got a brand new wire harness for it. But I'm thinking about using everything that's on this and building it onto that frame to make like a full suspension mini bike. Now, the thing I'm trying to anticipate if I want to do is I could run this 110 motor on it, and then I would be able to run a battery, and I possibly could make this thing street legal if I went this route. I do have the brand new 224 sitting right there that I was going to put on it, so I think what I'm going to do, because I'm just curious, but I'm thinking about running the 224 on it after all this stuff is swapped onto it, just to see, do some like test runs and stuff, and then swap this 110 on there, because I'm just curious what the difference would be between that and this. And then I'll probably do like a 30 series torque converter with the 224 too, to just give it more of a chance. But yeah, I was starting on this stuff, and then I work with these wooden reels, and I overdid it and end up messing up my back and caused my right leg to quit working. But I'm starting to walk again, so hopefully I'll be able to get out here soon and get this stuff started. And I wanted to show this too, because back a couple years ago, I found this in one of our containers. I forgot I started building this, and I took one of them BMX scooters, and I ended up extending the rear section so I could fit an engine right there on the back. And that's like a kid's bike wheel that I made to be able to mount there. And then I was going to do longer forks for the front end. So I think I might actually get up and try to finish this. Sorry about the mess. Like I said, I haven't been out here in over a week. The update on this bike, the shifter bike, I got to change out that sprocket that I made for the sprocket that runs the chain that goes to the rear wheel. It's too skinny, and the chain wants to bounce. As soon as you try to get any speed out of it, it bounces the chain. So I'm going to make the sprocket that it came with work for it. But I would have had it done, but like I said, I hurt myself. The Fat Moto's completely ready to go. It's got a brand new rear tire. It's just been sitting here waiting for the weather to get cleared up. I do have a whole box of stuff for the pit bike too, but like I said, I'm thinking about doing the front, make this front suspension and the rear swing arm, everything, and adapt it to the mini bike. And then I'd have like a full suspension mini bike, and like I said, if I run that motor, I can run a battery and everything else, and I would be able to possibly make it street legal. But yeah, I just wanted to make an update video out there. Hopefully I'll be getting this stuff done soon. As soon as I can get back up and running. I gotta get orders done before I can get started on this, so I'm hoping by Saturday I can start working on the orders and get them done, and then I will get started on this stuff.